from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Enhancements are coming to a Henrico travel gateway, and a new school year begins today. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It is Monday, August 21st, 2023. It's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Keep your eye out for those school buses today as you are making your morning commute. School begins for 50,000 or so Henrico County Public Schools students. It's the earliest beginning in quite some time for the county, which for years began on the Tuesday following Labor Day, but last year moved that back 1 week into August, and this year moved it back another week. Our education reporter Leanna Hardy will have coverage of the first day of school. You can look for that later this evening on henricocitizen.com. And if you have comments or thoughts about how the first day went in your household, you can email her at Leanna, Liana, at henricocitizen.com. Some improvements are coming to the Amtrak Staples Mill train station in Henrico. They're beginning today and continuing through next month. Most of the construction work, which will include renovations to the waiting area and restrooms, will take place during the overnight hours, although some may occur during operational hours. The work will limit seating and restrict or limit access to station amenities like the restrooms. Portable restrooms will be provided for use when the permanent ones are not available. Now, passengers who board and detrain from the Silver Meteor Train 98, which is scheduled for departure from the station every day at 4:52 a.m., may not have access to the waiting room. And last Thursday, a Glen Allen man pleaded guilty to a wire fraud charge associated with his operation of an online retail business. From August 2020 to July 2021, the defendant, 26-year-old Justin Lee Godsey, ran a website called Sneakfoot, an online sneaker retailer. When customers bought sneakers from the site, those sales were managed by two credit card processing companies that were in agreement with Sneakfoot. They were obligated to refund any purchases sent to Sneakfoot if the shoes were not delivered, and that's what happened. In most cases, the defendant consistently kept funds without sending shoes to those customers who had paid for them. He then used that money for a number of personal expenses, including the purchase of a Lamborghini. The credit card companies lost an estimated $870,000 or more. Godsey now faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. He will be sentenced on December 20th. And for the second year in a row, a team from Hawaii has won the 13 and under Babe Ruth World Series at Glen Allen's RF&P Park. The team from Oahu took the championship by defeating a team from Tallahassee, Leon, Florida in Saturday's championship game. A different Hawaii team had won the title there last year. The Glen Allen host team lost by 2 runs, 6-4, to that Tallahassee team in the first round of elimination play. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. Learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why Henrico Recreation and Parks Recreation Manager Adam Schwartz says, quote, "No matter what your passion is, there's a place with the county for you," end quote. That's henrico.us/jobs.